Okay, casual stream, here we go. I think I want to do a loader. Do I? Yeah, let's try a loader run. Oh, what a starting item. Okay. That's an interesting start. Frost relic. Wow. Okay. I really hope this run just continues being like normal, or you know, not all of a sudden screwing me, because this start is pretty good. Oh, what? Repulsion armor on this guy? Okay, so if this is a successful run, I think I'll just upload this one to YouTube or something. I haven't seen dirtier luck than this before. Question is, do I go open up a few things? Did I have anything open up here? I have that thing. I wonder if I can do that. Let's try. Oh shit. I think I should be able to do this. Yeah, I think there's no problem in just waiting a tiny bit just to get. I think I'll get this one. And I think I saw some down here that I could take. I think money would be really good, but let's go for a bit tankiness. Mustn't forget that I can actually use the this one for shit. We get 3 more. Yeah, I think that's enough. We'll go to the next level. like repulsion armor on top of a guy who can already like become invincible is interesting, to say the least. And that thing, like, it's a new item for me, the first one, whatever it's called, that makes charged laser appear. I don't think I want to go up there. So I don't really know how viable or how strong it is in this game. Just taking damage and being knocked. Wow, this... Okay, this frost relic is way better than I thought. The fact that it seems to like stun them and stuff. Okay, nothing up there. We're going back for those health shrines thingies. Oh. Pretty cool as well. He has some really good abilities together with the laser thing. 148. Can I do this, by the way? Probably not. Oh no, he did. Okay. Let's go for... Come on, I keep attacking the wrong way. Need a bit more money. Should be enough money, right? 139. Nice. We have definitely some protection against death. I mean, we do need some damage though. Warbanner's pretty good. Yeah, forget that you get stuck. I have to learn how far this thing is shot. Nice. Oops. Didn't mean to fall down. Can I even do this? Nah. Guess I shouldn't waste time like this. Sometimes I just wonder if certain jumps can be made. I guess that one couldn't be. This should be possible though. Oh, I didn't have enough money, wow. Okay. Ah, almost. Trying to be Spider-Man here. Okay, now we have enough money. The question is, I think we open this one then instead. Bigger one. It's the third, I don't know what it's called. Rare, I guess? Is it rare? I think it's common, uncommon, rare. And I forget what the last one could be. Like boss drops, I suppose. Did I? I guess it's up here. Or I must have missed it. Get tethered to... Yeah, I must have missed it down. No, it's up here. Okay. That's pretty unusual, I think. Oops. Wow. Wow. Okay, I see. Oh yeah, it's the frost relic thing that just murdered everything. Okay, well that went fast. Like, look at the protection we have. We have repulsion armor, we have the frost relics, we have the whenever we feel like it, all of a sudden that laser comes around. War banners to fight under that heals us. This is one of the crazy ones. I would be pretty amazed if I can't get this one to work. I think what I would like, just to cement it further, is infusion, like an early infusion, let our hit points go really high. But I wouldn't mind just getting more aggressive items, like just a lot of damage. Do I have anything to open nearby? I'm trying to think if I left anything down here. I don't think I did. I'm gonna do a fast check. We're sort of on time anyway. Oh yeah, there's this one. Oh, you're kidding me. What? I had to think there. Do I have like a relic or artifact that like increases luck on items? But I have no relics running. It's just a crazy run. Whoops. Well, that was a waste. No problem. And this guy has such low cooldowns as well, so getting those, getting the laser in the beginning that charges up the more you use abilities, it's just a really nice combo. Oh, these guys can definitely do some damage. So I should probably actually play smart and use my invisibility. Let's make use of this. Oh. invulnerability. And then we take our own invulnerability on top of that. We have the tether, and then we have this guy. Okay, mustn't like stay around and just have fun. I suppose I need to get some items going and cement this run. Okay, so I think, are we up to, is that 2? Yes. We have the snake eyes, so missing is, oh yeah, that's the thallium. Like the thallium as well, if I recall correctly, is pretty good because it does damage. Okay. Yes! Okay, so we have 3 crit stacks. I think I'll keep it at that. Does it say how much? Nah, just says increased. Not gonna try to drown walls. Oh, okay, so here's the thing. I'm gonna activate it. Then we're gonna Colossus. Great. See over here. Oh, yeah, we have taken this room. I was thinking we haven't. It's just showing me. You know what would be even more fun is if I get the invulnerability cooldown item that you can use, and then you get the 25% cooldown. Oh. And that's why we want to have the extra. Oh shit, no, I may not lose. Like, if we didn't have this repulsion armor, I would be so dead just being careless, but these guys really pack a punch. Okay, so we're going up there later. I almost feel bad about that. I should be dead. Because I'm just being way too brave. Okay, so let's go and get the Stone Guardian. Itchy nose today. Here it is. I actually need to be kind of careful around him. Two volleys and then I have to sort of I wonder how many like abilities you have to use before the laser charges. I haven't really counted. Was it 1? 2, 3. It's gonna be hard to count actually while I have to fight, so let's just pretend it's like 20 or something. I have to put this down. Man, they attack as soon as... Now we go away. Now we have invulnerability, so now we can fight. And now we keep on soon we can laser this guy. Two enemies. Ah, look at all the crabs. They're also dead. Oh, hello crabs, out. Oh. Seems to work. Okay. My jump is... I don't jump very high. I forget, can you go down here? Can you go down somewhere around here? I'm pretty sure you can get to that chest. Maybe I just don't know how. Whatever. Not too important. I guess we'll get this one since we don't like... I guess we could get XP, but a laser gun is probably quite alright. Quite alright. Oh, let's hope we don't get the thing. The guy who shoots things at you. Let's just check if it's up here. Yep. Yeah, I think we'll just hit it. Oh! I think that's the better option, to be honest. Combo is silly. I mean, as long as I'm a bit careful about being super bursted. Oh, nice. Like, as soon as you start killing things, they just die on the... I've already got quite a bit of money, so I think I'll look for some chests. Probably not the best place to look for it. Ooh, I actually didn't think I would make that, so I started putting the right. Yes, that's to do. Whoop! Oh. Bad idea, apparently. Let's just do it the normal way. I actually... Oh, another one? Okay. I actually don't know if the stacking of those are... Oh yeah, I think that means I'm up to 4. Oh, let's laser these guys down here. Easy. I don't actually have a lot of money, so I don't think we can open all that many more chests. Oh. Let's check up here a bit quick. Let's see if there's anything. You know what? Screw the bonus. Yeah, crowbar's nice. It's just supposed to be there in case you have bad luck anyway. To offset the bad luck a bit, which is nice. But we should still try to get items. My laser is almost loaded here, so I don't feel like using any abilities until we see some bogeys to kill. I need to use this before shit starts to spawn. Oh, double meat nuggets. Not gonna use it on the 65% hit points though. Do we? I think so. Oh shit. We need to kill things so we get the frost thing. There we go. Invincibility. I hate these flying things, but I'm so glad I have this ice thing because it's perfect answer to them. It's like, well, not perfect, but it's definitely working. Another thing I would like to have is the use item that just resets your skills, because then I could use the invulnerability a bit more. I mean, it's still on a really low cooldown, but glad we have the thallium, because I think we're actually lacking a bit in damage if we didn't have that. What helps us in damage, really? Well, the frost relics help. Uh, 2,452. We'll try to get some quick items if we can. Nah. I mean, eh. Hello, very kind guy. If you just joined, I just want to say I'm having like a great run. Oh, permafrost. I don't know if it's good on a melee character. We'll see. Let's check up here if there's anything. Like, the start I have with this character, like this and this, is absurd. Oh, we'll take my kill because we don't have anything else. We have to... Oh shit. Can I get that? No. Okay, so I have to run this way. Typical. It's just a tiny amount of time wasted, but whatever. I think it might be worth it. Ooh. Can't afford both of them, that sucks. Oh, infusion, wow. I wish I could have afforded this one. Okay, so this time I'm gonna press the right button, Q, to teleport to the final level. Which one do we want? I think we want the bustling fungus, but we could also take the iron barbed wire thing. permafrost. Everything taking damage as well, just because we're standing in my tether. Yeah, let's go with this. I'm not gonna stand still all the time, so I just won't take that. I'm just gonna try to spawn a lot of enemies, just to get a lot of money. Oh shit, I almost died. Oh, I almost died again. Okay, so this is dangerous apparently. Speaking of needing health regen when you're standing still, that would be great pretty much about now. Okay, so I actually... maybe I am doing this a bit too fast. Do I want that more than... I think actually I might want this more. And then I get the fireworks. Ow! These grenades. Kill the last of these guys if we want. Key card. Silver sword is nice. Wait, I might have to pick it up as well. If I do this, can I? No. Oh yeah, I don't have to. But I might have to. Hard to see back behind it. Oh shit, that's the silvers. 2030. I'm just thinking if I should go down here. Oh wow, that's a lot of them. Can definitely start to feel like our damage being a bit on the low side. I wonder if I have what's needed to kill the boss. Tesla coil, wow. Wow. It's kind of dangerous to be around as well. Hello, Sigma. AVVKG. Well, we definitely want to go to the left one here. Oops. Oh. Why my double jump didn't work. Those guys are pretty dangerous. Wow, so many of these guys. Now I have to be careful because this can be really dangerous. Especially with the rocket guys down there. More Tesla road as well. No, I don't need that one, that's... do I want the medic? I think I want to go down here. I don't understand, do they do nothing those? Oh well, let's open this thing. Oh. Let's open up this part. No, wait. Oh shit, I might die. I messed up. Okay. How's our healing? It's going up. Yeah, we need to be careful. I used my invulnerability when I was like in the... It doesn't hit me right. Gotta be a bit careful. The door is opening right now, so it's spawning a lot of stuff. Bit annoying that I'm constantly like kicking them away from me, but oh, healing. I don't have any more keycards, do I? Where does it say how many keycards I have? It doesn't? Or am I blind? It doesn't. I thought that was supposed to turn up in your inventory. Man, my hitbox did disappear when I tried this. Oh well, let's try this. I'm a bit afraid that... Oh yeah, I have to do this first. This is the dangerous part, I suppose. I guess not if I do it like this way. Shouldn't. Could die like in the instant. Okay. I don't think this fight will go fast or easily or anything, but let's try it. We'll learn something. It's a shame I'm not even close to leveling. That could have been really good. Maybe I should be tactical and actually do that. Yeah, it's gonna take way too long. The XP isn't even moving. Okay, let's just try this. the damage. I really don't have much healing for the downtime, which is my problem, and I only have 1 invulnerability. Oh yeah, I have to do that thing. Bam. Man, yeah, he's gonna just hit me like this and... I like when he does this part at least. Oh. Guardian Heart definitely doing its job. I actually do a lot of, like, oh come on. Do some decent damage to him, but... Oh, okay, yeah. Eventually I'm just gonna die to, like, him doing 1 hit on me at some point. It might be very soon as well. Oh yeah, I can't shoot him more than once per game. Ow. Ow! That one hits me constantly. I mean, I'm basically running into it, I suppose. Oh! I really wish I had the 8-second invulnerability thing instead of this crappy... And then there's the twin dragons or whatever they call them. Okay, time for the worms. Maybe actually I can do a lot of damage to them. Oh, okay, something broke. Actually, maybe... Oh yeah, it's that thing. Wow, that thing is actually very good against them. And that thing. Yeah, okay, so the worms... yeah. I guess the next boss phase will be the more difficult thing. Yeah, this time. Ow. Oh shit, I stood in one of those. If I keep doing this though, in this manner, I should be able to beat him. As long as I don't do something I'm too surprised about, or I have to dodge those hits. Oh yeah, and his extra clone that also does the same stuff as him. Oh shit. If you get hit by these, you die. As far as I know. Oh, cool, I can get that thing stuck on this. Oh, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, this thing is up again. So close, but I'm not gonna change tactic. We're doing this. Nice. Whew. Nice, so we did it. Quite a solid run. Felt kind of cheaty, but I guess he is. I mean, he's supposed to be invincible. So maybe not the toughest one. Felt sort of like a glass cannon run. In the end, it seemed like I had more hit points and toughness. I was afraid that the boss would like one-shot me. But after a while, I noticed that he needed... Like, I needed to make some bad choices, multiple bad choices to actually die to him. But anyway, so I might upload this clip to YouTube or something, just because it was kind of a fun beginning, like so many random items in the beginning. That was quite good. Alright, let's just continue on. Oh yeah, got this 8% chance to smite enemies for 200% damage. Like, we had so many good drops. Just gonna make myself some more tea, so I'll be right back.